Hi, my name is Amio. I'm an aerospace engineering junior.
And my name is Ignatius Widjaja. I'm a second-year aerospace engineering major. Amio and I work in Professor Gravish's lab under master student Henry Cheng.
Our broad research at Gravish Labs is concerned with bio-inspired robotics. Unlike traditional robots that are created to perform very specific tasks in a well-structured and rigid manner, bio-inspired compliant robots can deal with environmental disturbances very efficiently. Our specific work involves enhancing the performance of a cheap and compliant quadruped.
We created a planetary gearbox to increase torque from small motors while keeping their compliant ability. We used an iterative design process to rapidly prototype and used inexpensive 3D printing technology to manufacture our designs. Our final product can be easily adapted for mass production, allowing for faster deployment of compliant robots, especially useful in disaster response and other applications. We think that bio-inspired robotics has a great future. Thank you for listening.